I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?
Hey, greetings, family. What's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. Look, today, I'm not talking about generational wealth, making money online and things like that, all right? Because now ain't the time for us to be playing. We got to get it, okay? So with that being said, we're going to be talking about fintech and Petal to be specific. Before we get into it, I just want to say that financial technologies, that's what fintech stands for. So there's a lot of them out there that are actually providing funding, whether it's personal or business nowadays, because we're in more of this digital space and digital age. So the traditional banks, there's not a lot of them out there, but that's giving funding because they're kind of changing, and the fintechs are becoming the new authority as far as getting funding and things like that. And so, what some of these fintechs are powerful is because you're able to actually go out and get funding, and sometimes it's based on your actual bank account and the cash flow and everything, money coming in, going out, rather than just strictly on your credit. So you could potentially get credit with no credit or bad credit, by using some of these fintechs. And that way you can actually get some funds and make some plays with them, do what you do. You know what I'm saying? I can't tell you what to do with your money, but if you are able to get your hands on something and it can actually make you can use that money to make money, then why not? All right, so that's what a lot of this stuff, in my mind, that's what it's for. So the Petal Card, we're going to get into that, and how you could potentially get up to $10,000 from this fintech. All right. A lot of places are basing them issuing you a credit off the cash flow and the transactions in your bank account. So this is actually going to be one of those places. All right, you can if we scroll down to the bottom, you can see by submitting a pre-approval request, you grant for permission to be evaluated to multiple Petal Cards. Pre-approval does not guarantee an account approval, and you must submit a full application for review in order to apply for any offer of credit. Submitting a pre-approval is how you find out if you are eligible for a Petal Card without impacting your credit score. All right, so you can see if you can qualify, with these for these cards without pulling your credit. All right, so here we go. Or pre-eligible to be specific. But here we go. Let's get into the details of these cards. All right, expanding access through technology. Variable APR rates from 19.99 to 29.49. Okay, so be mindful of that. You got fees, no annual fee, latent return payment fees may apply. Credit limit 500 to 5,000. APR 19.99, 29 to okay, we went over that. You got cash back at select merchants anywhere from 2 to 10%. Higher limits, better rates. Credit scores don't tell the whole story. Petal One looks beyond the credit score to create a cash score based on your banking history. Your cash score shows your credit worthiness and can help you qualify from your credit at better rates. Okay, local offers, cash back right around the corner. Okay, all right, so you pretty much got the gist of that. And credit reimagined, here goes it put up against the Capital One Platinum MasterCard and the Mission Lane Classic Visa. So you got cash back, you got no annual fee, you got no international fees, so you can travel abroad. The credit limit 500 to 5,000. You got the APR rates below comparing these cards. All right. And so now what we're going to do is actually compare it to the Petal 2 card. Okay, all rewards, no fees. So now when you get into the Petal 2 card, now you see the APR gets a little low on the lower compared to the first one. All right, here's what the card will look like right here. So cash back anywhere from 1 to 1.5% and more offers. Credit limit from 500 to 10,000. All right. Then here go the APRs. There's no fees. Designed for your success. Petal 2 is our most advanced card yet. It has no fees and of any kind, and is designed to help you build credit. All right, it pays to be responsible. Get 1% cash back right away. Earn up to 1.5% when you pay on time. Pay your bills on time, get money back. All right, plus 2 to 10% cash back at select merchants. All right, so boom, all that little money add up. Grow your credit score with responsible spending and on-time payments. We report to all 3 major bureaus. Control your spending. Set a budget and see how much you left to spend. Feel safe and secure. Freeze your card at any time to protect your account, and rest easy knowing your data is safe and encrypted. Credit reimagined. See how the Petal Card stacks up versus the Apple Card and discover it cash back. No annual international fees, no later return payment fees, cash back at select merchants, cash back on every swipe, minimum credit limit 500. Boom, boom, boom. See which Petal Card is right for you without impacting your credit score. All right. So boom, you go to see my offers. Then what you're gonna do from here, you would actually, put in your phone number to text you a code, and you pretty much can go from there. All right. All right, so that was just going over the Petal 1, Petal 2 card. All right, if you're interested, do what you do. I just wanted to give you some more insight on that. I'll give you some more insight on some other videos. But if you're interested in more about business credit, check the course, the link in the description. All right, you want a one-on-one consultation, there's a link in the description. And if you want to monitor your business credit with Nav, you can do that for free. All right, now it's time to be playing, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.